McDonald's doesn't just empty your wallet, it drains your drive. Each cheap meal is a trade-off for energy, clarity, and opportunity. You eat it for comfort, but end up with fatigue and FOMO. That sugar-fat combo hits hard, then crashes your focus. $12 for a combo meal. Sounds small until it becomes $360 a month. That's money that could buy books, courses, even startup capital. But it's not just money, it's your energy system getting hijacked. Fast food trains your brain for instant gratification and long-term regret. Meanwhile, the people you're watching are fueling up smarter. Whole foods don't just save you money, they generate energy. Meal prep for $3 a day. That's $270 saved and 3 times more energy. You don't need to be rich to eat clean. You need priorities. Fast food gives you FOMO of what your life could have been. Delete the food apps, block the ads, rewire your cravings. Swap fries for fruit, soda for water, drive-through for discipline. Those tiny food decisions, they stack up into who you become. Every bite you take is a vote. Weak or wealthy. Foggy or focused. McDonald's won't make you broke overnight, but it will steal the life you could have had.